Hello friends, welcome back to Dr. Mamta's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you coriander rice or Dhaniya Pulao, which can be served as lunch or as a quick dinner. So we'll heat a pan and I'm going to use 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. I'm going to put the whole spices, that is elaichi. I'll put 1 elaichi, 1 cardamom, 2 cloves and 1 star anise. We just stir it a bit and we let this cook for some time. Now I'll put the sauce and the green chilies and ginger paste. Some sliced onions. I'm putting about 1 spoon of salt. Onions are done, so now I'm going to put the boiled vegetables, that is the carrot and the peas. Now I'm going to put the coriander. I have ground this with a little bit of lemon juice. So let's put this and we'll just let it cook for 2 minutes. So in goes some coriander powder, some more flavor of coriander, little bit of jeera powder, and we let this cook not for very long. We want that green color, so just about 1 or 2 minutes. So we'll mix this rice thoroughly. It's going to be really nice and colorful. So I've boiled some corn along with the rice. So this rice is looking green and the yellow of the corn in contrast looks very wonderful and the aroma is heavenly. Coriander rice is ready to serve. You can serve it with yogurt, raita or a pickle. Friends, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.